Whoa. Whoa!
Where's the light?
I got a dresser.
Wow.
Merry Christmas.
Is this the bed?
Yeah. Whoa!
Try to. I got that one. Jump on it.
Well, did you know something about this?
Jump on.
Heck, I'm confused.
What are you confused about?
Did you know about this?
Yeah, that's Christmas.
Wait, this looks familiar. This bed.
Does it?
Oh, it looks like yours.
Oh, you're
Did I?
Oh, my
I
battery's
can't see
going
your
dead.
face, man.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you're bad.
What's in the...
this?
I'm so confused.
What's the matter?
What does that mean? Oh. Okay. What's it say? Read out loud, please.
Merry Christmas to a wonderful kid named Dylan. From the Lay family.
Cry.
We would love for you to continue to grow